Are you craving mac and cheese or a peanut butter chocolate sundae?
Look at that. Are you kidding me?
Wow.
That's perfect. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys two guilt-free sort of comfort food recipes that normally would be pretty bad for you, but we're going to sort of twist some things, sprinkle some things in there. Our first recipe is going to be sort of like a fake ice cream sundae. We're going to be using bananas as the main ingredients. We're adding peanut butter, vanilla, cacao nibs, this like chocolate drizzle, and it's not that bad for you. You're going to need a food processor or blender that has a stick. It's a little tougher to blend with solids, so having what is this? Blender peg. This is a peg leg. How many bananas do you want to use? That's up to you. You want your banana spotty? Should we do a last one? I mean, like, I feel like why you're already using. Yeah, why the last one, right? I don't know, that feels, no, it's good. I'm also gonna sneak a little bit of protein in here as well. So I will be using the plant protein from Care of. This is in the flavor vanilla. You guys, I have gone through 2 tubs of this stuff. If any of you guys are new to Care of, it's basically an online service that can be shipped to you monthly. It's very convenient, comes to your door, and they provide supplements, vitamins, and protein. So depending on what you want. If you're new and you don't know, you can take an easy 5-minute quiz, and it'll basically just ask you questions based on your diet, lifestyle, health goals, needs, all that stuff. And they will give you a research-based recommendation on what you should purchase and be taking. I also love their vitamin packets. They also recently changed their packaging to be compostable. So you can compost these little individual packets. They have instructions on their website on how to do that, but it's great because they're on the go and I've got my little vitamins in here. But truly the star of this video is the plant protein. So Miranda, let's check that out real quick. Oh, for Claudia? Yeah. That's right. They also make it super easy for you to see where they source all of their ingredients to ensure that they have the highest quality product. If you guys want to try out Care of on your own, then you can take their quiz and figure out which vitamins and supplements Care of recommends. And you can also get 25% off your first order if you use my code, which is Claudia25. 2 scoops of this guy. Not only are we adding like a bunch of protein into this recipe, but it's also giving us that vanilla flavor. If you want yours to be a little bit sweetener, you can always add stevia or any type of syrups, but you can also just add in a date. Throw a date in there. Also, what's gonna make this really, really decadent and delicious is adding peanut butter. I love adding peanut butter to any sort of like dessert recipe. Is that a lot? I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a little scrapey scrape. Gotta really get in there, you know? Really gotta use your muscles a little bit. This texture is gonna be super thick and creamy, which is what you want because it'll stay frozen for a long time. Now that I'm sweating, this is a chocolate syrup that I discovered. I just put it in hot water to kind of let it get a little more melty and runny. But this is from New Naturals, and it's a stevia sweetened chocolate syrup. That's so good. Guys, look at that. That is straight up ice cream. Also, if you want it to stay frozen for a long time, putting your bowl into the freezer beforehand, so then your bowl's kind of cold, is also a good move. Oh, yeah. We're gonna sprinkle some cacao nibs on there. A little taste test moment. This straight up tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. What do you think? I mean, it's so creamy.
It's so creamy,
you guys. Wow. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a guilt-free mac and cheese. Also, all of this is vegan too. We're making vegan mac and cheese with our substitute pasta, sprinkle some breadcrumbs, throw it in the broiler. So freaking good. We've are like, you know, you can attest.
Yes.
So the pasta that we're using is the Bonza Elbows. So these are made out of chickpea powder, barely any ingredients, lots of protein, lots of fiber. I'm actually just going to make this entire box. You come on over here. Come over here. Just kidding.
Some non-boiling water.
Some non-boiling water. We are going to be using 2 different vegan cheeses, and this is from the brand Follow Your Heart. We've got the cheddar shreds and the mozzarella shreds. We're going to use 2 parts of the cheddar and 1 part of the mozzarella. I'm adding all of this into a pot so that I can melt and heat up the cheese on its own. Okay, this is going to be a lot of cheese. Probably the least healthiest ingredient in this recipe is butter, but I feel like it just makes everything taste so good. And we're gonna add that much, not too bad. Almond milk. This is going to help make the cheese super gooey and just a little thinner. So we're adding some of that. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, some garlic. And then lastly, we're gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast, which is known for its sort of cheesy, tangy taste. Okay, that was good. Hi guys. Should I add some more? I think we might need more. Like I said, we don't really do measurements, so I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. It smells so good. Also, don't be afraid of the milk. You don't taste it at all. Look at that cheese. Wow! Oh. We're gonna turn our broiler onto high. This part definitely is optional. We're just going to sprinkle on some breadcrumbs on top. That feels good. We're gonna bake it for 5 minutes. Yep, great. Catch you guys then. Rolling?
Rolling.
Okay. Look at that. Are you kidding me? She's vegan. She's dairy-free. She's relatively healthy for you. I'm excited. Holy shit. Oh, you guys. That's perfect.
I think it's better the second time.
I think it is too.
Oh my god.
I know, we really mastered the broiling. Thank you so much, Kara, for sponsoring today's video. I will have all of that linked down below. Be sure to use my code, and I will see you guys for a new video very soon. Let me know if you want me to make more recipe videos. Bye, guys.